Introducing the Noise Master Buds. Crafted for an immersive listening experience with sound by Bose, delivering meticulously tuned audio. Experience the smartest audio chipset, optimizing sound processing for seamless, high-quality audio in every situation. Equipped with high-performing Peak Plus titanium drivers, the 12.4mm dynamic drivers ensure distortion-free sound with deep bass, rich mids, and crystal-clear highs. Step into a new dimension with spatial audio, making your music and movies more immersive by creating a wide, three-dimensional soundstage. Enjoy uninterrupted audio with adaptive active noise cancellation up to 49 decibels, providing the best sound isolation whether you're in a quiet room or a noisy outdoor setting. With LHDC 5.0 support, experience playback at byte rates up to 900 kbps, ensuring superior sound accuracy and high-resolution audio quality. The design stands out with a metal disc on the case, inspired by vinyl records, along with a 2 pm light bar, blending aesthetics with function. The ergonomic buds fit snugly for all-day comfort. Personalize your experience with the Noise Audio app, where you can customize touch controls, fine-tune EQ settings, and toggle between ANC and transparency modes. The product link is in the description below, so you can check it out and buy it directly from Amazon. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Brand Tech Compare for more amazing gadget reviews and comparisons.